Hello everyone, welcome to another channel. So one more opportunity you have from BEL and that is permanent post. Yes, it is permanent post. I am also shocked and I checked 4 to 5 times whether that contract word is there or not, because you know that consistently for the last 2 to 3 years they are hiring on contract basis on trainee engineer or whatever post they have posted. Okay, I covered that in the previous notifications, but now this is your permanent opportunity in BEL, that is defense sector PSU, and this is Navratna PSU. Okay, so very important thing. Salary is 12.5 lakh CTC. Total 205 vacancies are there. Great number. If you complete your BE Tech and BSc also, then BSc Engineering, then you are eligible for this recruitment. Electronics Communication, Electrical, Computer Science and Mechanical branches are eligible. Okay, all over India candidates eligible. Post is probationary engineer. Now we will see detailed information quickly. So let's start the video. So as always we say important point which is most important for you. First important point, 60% criteria. So 60% aggregate you should have in your BE Tech or BSc Engineering, then only you are eligible, otherwise you can't fill this form. And this criteria is only for general EWS OBC. For SC ST and PWD 40% is required, pass class is required. Okay, posting all over India, you will get exam centers all over India, enough exam centers we have, no problem in that. Okay, the next thing is training and bond. So training will be there of 6 months and bond is there of 3 months, and definitely it's 3 years. And if you want to leave bail before 3 years, then you need to pay 3 lakh rupees, which is the bond amount. Very much important note point. And final point is process CBT plus PI. So based on combined score of CBT and interview, they will shortlist you or they will select you for the post of probationary engineer. Okay, and this criteria comes now. Okay, 40% for SST PWD, 60% for general EWS and OBC. Age limit cutoff date is 1st of September 2023. What is age limit? So general EWS 25, OBC 28, SSC 30, PWD 35, general OBC 42 and SST 45. Form already started on 4th of October and it will end on 28th of October. So definitely next video will be your form filling video. Okay, do check that video and as per that only fill your form properly. If you get any problem, any query, any doubt, then comment down below this video or form filling video. I will help you in that. Your exam, that is CBT, is tentatively scheduled in December month. Okay, this is tentative date. Definitely if there is any update regarding that, I will notify you in our strategy videos. And last important point, that is fees. So 1180 for general, OBC EWS also 1180. For SC ST PWD there is no fee for you guys. Okay, let's break the vacancies. So here you can see that 124 vacancy. Yes, 124, biggest number for ECE guys. So electronics communication, telecommunication are all eligible for this. Okay, 63 vacancies for mechanical and 18 vacancies are for computer science graduates. Branch wise categorized breakdown is not given. So this is the overall breakdown of category we have. So general 96 vacancies total we have. Okay, OBC 62, SC 34, ST 17, EWS 23. Total we have 232 posts. Now basically here what they will select, how much candidate they will select from each branch, electronics, mechanical, computer science, this thing we will get at the time of result only. Okay, so don't think about that now. If you are from OBC, SST, EWS, try to break general cutoff. Okay, with this mindset if you prepare, definitely you will get selection in this recruitment. Okay, so this is the list of exam centers you have all across India, no problem in that. In form filling also I will show you, no problem. Okay, yeah, and only this branch is eligible. Other than this, if you have any other degree, then you are not eligible for this recruitment. Okay, so IT for computer science also not eligible, then electronic instrumentation also not eligible. Okay, so this is all about your BEL recruitment. I am very excited to target this recruitment and will try to secure maximum seat in BEL recruitment as HL and BDL. So just ready for the preparation. Okay, preparation strategy video will be next, then after that you will get form filling. Okay, form filling you will get, then after that you will get preparation strategy. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this notification, regarding this recruitment, then you can comment down below. Join Telegram and WhatsApp group, which is most important, and then I will see you in the next video. All the best. And yes, if you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe.